This is a lovely cottage. It's a 2-bedroom property, semi-detached, water garage, parking, right in the middle of Bathpool. And it comes to the market with no onward chain either. So if you'd like to find out more, watch the video and then call for a viewing.